And we've heard from a few hospital systems this week, all of them seeing a surge in COVID-19 patients more than ever, even before the pandemic.
And it's a story that's similar in Kalamazoo. Our Lauren Coomer spoke with Bronson and Borges hospitals to see really what they're dealing with. Lauren?
Derek and Annie, Kalamazoo hospitals are seeing more patients for COVID-19, and one doctor says while they were expecting a second surge, they weren't expecting it to be this bad.
The number of hospitalizations that we've had for COVID has been rising over the past month or longer, and it's at an all-time high right now.
Dr. Richard Vanink is the director of infection prevention and epidemiology at Bronson and says COVID-19 is becoming quite the challenge for Michigan hospitals. While many people are still recovering at home, they've had an influx of patients who need to be hospitalized.
That's where the real stress is. So if you can stay at home and get over it, that's one thing. But if you have to come to the hospital and take up hospital beds and take up those resources, that really makes the problem worse.
According to Bronson's COVID-19 dashboard, their healthcare system has a total of 98 COVID-positive patients in their hospitals, with just 61 of those patients at Bronson Methodist in Kalamazoo. While numbers weren't readily available for Ascension Borges, infectious disease Dr. Tom Flynn said they're seeing high numbers too.
We're busier now than we were during most of the summer, and that's not unexpected. The surge occurred in the fall when we thought it would. I had some small hope that maybe it wouldn't rise so quickly, but it did. So we're busy, and all our regional hospitals are busy.
And doctors continue to point to social gatherings as being the main cause, asking people to continue to follow safety protocols, reminding them that everyone is at risk.
What we've seen over the past month or two is that anyone can get COVID, and anyone can get a serious infection and require hospitalization, and anyone can die of COVID.
Hospitals are asking people to be mindful as the holiday season gets closer, and instead of spending it with large groups of family, stick with just your household or groups of 10 or less. They're also asking you to continue wearing your mask and social distance when possible. Reporting live in Kalamazoo, Lauren Coomer, Fox 17 News.